Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. First things first is happy Monday. I want to thank everybody that subscribed to me over the weekend. Thank everybody that dropped your comments. I'm going to get on my computer and respond to everybody. This just going to be a little short video. It doesn't have to, I don't want it to be long and drawn out, but you know how I get to talking and, videos tend to start, being longer than what they need to be. But now this is just going to be a quick video, as quick as possible. I'm just letting you guys know that I'm going to cut down on the videos that I'm going to be doing. I'm probably going to go to only doing about 3 videos a week, probably nothing more than, probably 3, no more than 4 videos a week, but most of the time it's just going to be 3 because I want to put my focus on, growing my car business some more as well, because my plan was to hire an assistant, but everything is still going into that trajectory where I am able to hire an assistant, and it's a little bit more work that I need to put in on the semi and the box truck end of my business that I need to just set the foundation for so it can run a lot smoothly. So while I'm working on that, this right here, JJ's Cars and Advice, it's not going to go anywhere. It's just going to be compressed down to 3 to 4 videos a day. And I want to I'm gonna make longer videos. I'm gonna stay making the auction videos, but I want to make so when I make a video, I want to make it like really just being basically inspired, like advice, about something new that I learned and I want to pass on to you guys. Or it's gonna be like an auction video, or it's gonna be me fixing up my old school cars, or me fixing up my old school cars. So that's what I wanted to make the videos more about. Really just dive into basically dive in about giving you guys great advice on how to start your business, sell cars, or any broad advice on any other business. And also I want to do auction videos so you guys can know what the market is like, and give you guys while I do auction video, also give you guys advice while I'm doing the auction videos, the cars to look for, what to look for, and stuff like that. So continue to know where the price is so y'all know the market on when you want to hop in and hop in this business. And then just make overall videos of me just fixing up my cars or just fixing up my car. So I want to make videos more, just make that the main focus. So mainly just giving out mainly advice. Auction videos, the walk around videos is fine, but I'd rather just do the auction video because I'd rather just walk around the auction in the beginning before the auction starts, and then make an auction video, just make it all into one so it's a longer video instead of just doing it over and over. So that's the plan. So I'm planning on making the auction video, the walk around the auction, getting that auction early, doing the walk around, then putting the auction video with it, and I advice video, and then me just hope when I'm buying cars, so when I'm picking up cars, so because those are the videos y'all like. Y'all like the ones, I like the auction videos, y'all like general advice videos, and then y'all like the videos when I'm picking up the cars. Other videos are like random vlogs. They do decent, but they're okay. So that's the main things I want to focus on. So buying cars and fixing up the cars. So that's what I want to buy when I'm buying cars from the auction, so I can see what I bought. And then when I'm buying a new old school or something, or fixing up my old school. So that's what y'all want to see. So that's videos. Appreciate you guys for rocking with me. Y'all have an auction video Wednesday. So if y'all haven't already, like this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you drop a comment. You can drop anything in the comments. So the things that help the channel grow is impressions. So the more it clicks, the more the more you like the video. Doesn't matter if you just drop a random comment. You can just say, "What's up, JJ gang," or JJ's world. I mean, not JJ's world because that's Melly's thing. But JJ's gang, or notification gang, or the advisory board, or because y'all can be the advisory board, the advisors, advisees, or whatever. Just drop something in the comments. Just drop anything. Just say good morning, or just say good afternoon. Just say something like that, because the more engagement on the video, the more it gets recommended, and the more my channel grows. So appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.